office. Diba? I'm being honest. Who doesn't want to be box office? Pero these are the things that I never expected. I think the movie has traveled to more than 10 territories. We've been to Cannes, we've been to Locarno, we've been to different places. And I think that itself is already a gift. Diba? We get to represent the Philippines. Exhibition man yan, hindi man yung competition. Malaking bagay pa rin sa amin to be recognized. Mapalakpakan tayo sa ibang bansa just because of an action movie. I mean, we're so used to love stories, yada, yada, yada. I mean, I think it's about time for us to evolve into some different stories to be able to give opportunities and jobs to people as well.
Guys, meron ako tanong sa inyo. Agree ba kayo yung action scene nila? Sapakan, suntukan, walang dialogue, puro sa mata. Sa action, ito magbibigay ng ano.
Like, nag-umaction sila sa mata lang.
Tsaka yung kilos nila. Yung parang ate, kaya sa'yo. Arjo, again, congratulations.
Congrats.
And good luck.
Thank you po, thank you.
Pang best actor.
Ay, God's name po. Maraming salamat.
So, Arjo, can we expect part 2 or some prequel?
Supportahan nyo, magpo-part tayo.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Prequel na yun.
Tatlo na yung teams.
Dala ng tatlo na ang...
Ito naman si Alan. Very nice.
Thank you sa inyo. Ay, thank you. Huh?
Say hi to Daily Army.
Ay, Dili Armin, salamat. Thank you for the support. Sana mapanood nyo ha, topak ha. Yan ha, please, kalahanin nyo. Huwag kasing kalimutan. Thank you. Super, thank you ha sa time ha.
Thank you, Kuya.
Yes, tayo. Alis na rin.
Yeah, bye-bye, Kuya. Ingat po
Thank you
kayo.
ha. Thank you, Daryl. Super appreciate it. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you, kuya.
Ayun nga. Ayun pa ba picture ka natin? Picture muna tayo. Guys. Picture muna.
Ito na sa may Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you so much po for the time.
Team Star Magic. Picture dito po.
Special. Thank you, Sir
Thank you,
Mayo.
Picture Joy Gate. Thank you.
Halika na.
Saan ba na yung San Moa yung...
Can I say hello to my RG?
Oh my God, thank you.
Pwede, pero masusunod kami kung saan kami magdadala.
Thank you.
Alam mo ba, my acid is up to here.
Oh my God.
I wanted to make query, but I
I know
couldn't.
you're busy. But you guys,
I wanted to make query, but I couldn't.
Ay, wala ako.
Yung ano, sa inyong dalawa.
Yes. Ni ano. Sige sir, thank you.
Anytime pag